Um, Ness, yes. Why are you dumb? I'm not dumb. I just told you I'm psychic. Last time, but I just thought that you were lying. Why would I be lying? Because you're a selfish liar. And by the way, you're not psychic. Yes, I am. I'm psychic. Just ask anyone. Just ask Summons. Summons, is Ness psychic? Well, it depends if he's lying or not. I just told him that he was lying, and he completely lied to my face. Well, obviously, yes, he is psychic. I'm sorry I ever doubted him. Okay, someone said yes, that you were psychic. I told you so, but you didn't listen. Okay, I'm just gonna kill you now. Don't kill me. I can kill you whenever I want. I got a gun. I got a gun. Shoot me with that gun, and I will come over there and use PK Thunder on you. Ooh, almost got the gun out. And yeah. Ow! Quit shooting me! I'm sorry! Please stop it! I'm going to Falco's. Okay. Oh yeah! I'm gonna shoot a wall! Gotta make it fall! I'm shooting a wall! Ow! Who's shooting me? Oh, it's you. Hey Falco, wanna have a gun war? Sure, why not? I won. Dang it! Come on. Give me a head start, man. Give me a head start. That's not fair. Okay. Bounce off that cliff, and I'll give you a head start. Where am I? Oh man, it's Alice in Wonderland all over again. Hello, Barney. I'm not Barney. Hello, Barney. I'm not Barney. I wish you were pink. There, I'm pink, see? You're Barney now. Oh man, you tricked me. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot Barney right in his face. I'm not Barney for the last time. I'm not Barney. Barney. Yo, Barney. What? Yo, Barney. I can remember. Tell me some stories. I can remember the time that I thought Mario was an apple. Can you flashback that for me? Sure. We were at Dreamland. I just saw red. Thought that was an apple. Apple. Get away! Get away! I'll lick you. Apple. Apple. And then he was almost mine. And so I set a trap for him. And then I flew back to Dreamland because I fell down. And I was thinking if only I can get him, but without him knowing. But that's not gonna be easy. So I went to Mario to eat him. But did you eat him? No, I fell to a strange land, which was here. Okay. So, how did you survive? I'm a ghost. You're a ghost? Yeah, I'm a ghost. I'm about to suicide now.